Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from Smart Ea Incubator.com and welcome to another weekly market analysis. In this video, I'm gonna break down some charts for you on higher time frames like GBPUSD, GBPJPY, gold, NAS 100, and I'll show you my prediction for the upcoming week. But guys, these are just my predictions, and also I'm a scalper, so I don't go based on higher time frames. I see what I see on 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, but there's no point to do a weekly market analysis on 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, because after you watch this video, probably millions of things have already been changed, so there's no point. But right now I'm going to start this video with GBPUSD on 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour and max I go to daily to show you what might happen. So this is something that I really like about GBPUSD right now, because guys, GBPUSD since April 20th has been bearish like crazy. And look at this, guys, after this huge drop towards downside, it just kept coming down and created this lower high, and then it broke it down. So it means that the market is trying to, it's constantly creating lower lows and lower highs and multiple breakout structures towards downside. So it means that the trend of the market is totally bearish. And starting from here, we have a breakout structure towards upside, and then up and down, and then it started creating higher highs and higher lows. Why? So there's a reason that GBPUSD might start going up, and the reason is this one right here, this gap. After this one, because we have a high probability order block right here, this is a high probability order block, and then we have a huge unfilled gap in this area that needs to be filled in. But when, we don't know. It probably just drops significantly after that. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But what I'm predicting right now is that since we have this breakout structure, it broke above this head and shoulder, and then it came down, it tried to go up. I think there's a breakout structure above this area as well. No, it's actually a weak, so it's not broken above this level yet. But if it does, there's a high chance that GBPUSD stay bullish this week until it reaches this area to fill in the gap, and then we'll see what happens. This is on GBPUSD, and if I take you to 1-day time frame, you see that we still have this massive drop here and unfilled gaps. So these gaps have to be filled in no matter what, no matter when. It has to happen eventually. And that's why we are predicting that this is something that might happen. We have a high probability order block from here to here as well on 4-hour time frame, so this is something that might happen as well. So it created this high head and shoulder, and then it probably comes down to tap into this level, or just keep going up until it reaches this level to fill in the gap. See guys, I'm not using any indicator, I'm not using any choppy charts, or busy charts people say. It's just pure price action based on technicals, like very basic stuff. But if you understand them, I can guarantee you that you can increase your winning rate by probably 60%, above 60%. And if you combine it with high probability supply and demand zones, or another fancy name is order blocks. So, and yeah, this is what we have, guys. This is not a really high probability order block, because if you take the last 2 bullish candles before the drop happened, there's no space. So see that when this candle started dropping, so this is the first candle that dropped. Okay, the next candle after that left no space, so it started from inside of this box, and what happened was that it's just filling the gaps quickly, so there's no gap left. So this is the number one thing for GBPUSD, guys, and this is what I think might happen. And if I take you to GBPJPY, you see that it's a little bit different than GBPUSD, although if USD goes up, yen goes up as well, and also both of them are GBP. So but there's a slight difference, and GBPJPY is a little bit more choppy. So as you can see, we had this drop like GBPUSD, and then it started doing some sort of consolidation here, and then we have a breakout structure, consolidation, breakout structure. See, we had 2 flags here that both of them got broken towards downside. So it means that the trend of the market is towards downside, is bearish, and then we have a breakout structure towards upside. See, up and down. This breakout structure, this breakout structure, and this breakout structure. So even this one is showing us that it's probably trying to change the trend of the market and go towards this side to fill in this gap right here, because we have this high probability order block that is still not tapped into. This one and this one. See, this is a high probability order block. This is another high probability order block. This one to this one. See, these gaps are still haven't filled in, and the price has to go up to do its job, and then we'll see what happens. So this is for GBPUSD and GBPJPY, and let's actually get into gold for a moment. And this is a very interesting one, guys. Look at this. Gold has been crazy these days. We made a lot of profit with a Gold Incubator, and these are the results for a $3,000 account. This is the first one, and this is the scaled version, which is $3,000 scaled, because we deposited more money, and we started it in April 15th all the way to May 20th, which is 43% in profit. We had 2 big drawdowns here, but the EA was able to close every position in profit, and it was overall $721. And here's our first account for $3,000 is 130% in profit since April 5th all the way to May 20th, which is 130%. It's absolutely crazy, guys. So we have no problem making money with gold. I also traded manually on my FDMO using a smart money concepts trading strategy. If you're following this channel, you know what I'm about. So this is yeah, gold is crazy, guys. It started consolidating like crazy, and then a lot of people assume that after this breakout structure, after gold broke above this level, 1965.821, the gold is going to be bullish, and they actually had their target all the way to here, because if you pay attention, see that there's a high probability supply zone right here, and a lot of people assumed that when the price broke above this level, it started going up to this level and filling the gaps, but they were wrong. Look what happened. It literally reversed and started creating crazy lower lows and lower highs, and it just kept dropping and kept dropping, and it's a clean clean lower lows and lower highs. So it means that the price is just coming down constantly, and it's actually started since April 18th. So if you pay attention to all these 3 pairs that I showed you, GBPUSD, GBPJPY and gold, they all started around April 18th to April 20th, and you know that the long-term market is bearish. Even if it's daily, look at this: consolidation, breakout structure, multiple breakout structures towards upside, this breakout structure, and this breakout structure, that showed that the price is probably going to be bullish. But no, it dropped, started consolidating, and dropped again. So it means that everything changed right now, and the trend of the market is towards downside. But there are so many probabilities. You know, the first one is that it probably reached this level to grab the liquidity, or this level, or this level, because there's a bunch of liquidity sitting below these levels, because there are so many buyers who took their buy position and put their stop losses below these levels, same as here, here, and here. So these are the probabilities that might happen for gold, guys. But so far it's bearish. But I'm gonna see what happens on Monday, because you know, I'm a scalper. You know that I'm trading during a New York session, and I only trade the setups that I see on 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, and it's pretty easy to catch them. So but this is not a high probability demand zone. There's no high probability supply zone right here. So I can see this high probability supply zone from here to here. Look at this. This high probability supply zone, because there's a gap. This is the first candle that dropped, and the next candle after that never tapped into the zone. So that's why there's a little bit of gap left. Look at this. And that's why we need to be waiting to see what's going to happen. Maybe gold is trying to go up as well. Look at this breakout structure here. It is a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, and we have this high probability supply zone here. So I believe that the target is going to be right here to tap into this level. Maybe it respect the level, and then, you know, do a little bit of bounce towards the opposite direction, or it just breaks above this zone and disrespect it, and then it just keep going up. Because so far I think even this one is a high probability, or yeah, even this one is a high probability supply zone, guys. So there's a high chance that it just break above. Look at this. This is the first candle dropped, the next candle never tapped into the zone, and even this one has never tapped into this zone right here. So the space is still there. So two high probability supply zones back to back, meaning that there's a chance that the price is trying to reach these levels, and I probably think that it's going to reach all the way to here. So let's see what happens, guys. Again, we'll see, because today's Sunday, the market just opened and we can't really predict to see what's going to happen since the market just opened. But stay tuned, guys. I put out a video every single day based on the trades I see and I take myself. Even if I don't take them and I just see them, I try to share it with you and show you why it was a really good one to take. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified as well. So about Gold Ea Incubator, guys, if you're someone who wants to trade completely automated, you don't want to get involved in the market, or you don't want to analyze the market yourself, this is the tool that literally trades on your behalf on 5-minute time frame during London session, and try to get out of the positions in profit before New York session. Sometimes it holds the trades for all the way up to 24 hours, but it's so rare. But it's actually built for fast profits, and it can generate 1% to 1.5% profit on a daily basis. So if you're interested in that, guys, you can find all the link below in the description. But if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. When you go on our website, you can see 2 chat widgets. One of them is for the website, one of them is for WhatsApp, and then ask all your questions. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video again, and see you on the other side.